Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's Sunday. It's actually Sunday. That's great. Second day of February, and as you can see, it's a partially sunny day. We're gonna head out to the camp and we're gonna work on the shelter. And when I say we, I mean wifey and I. Hi, wifey. And of course Mutter and Jax, who went for a nice walk with us yesterday in the woods, which we didn't film. It was just a nice day for a good snowshoe, and we did that. They ran around with their friend Coda, and so they're not as rambunctious as they were yesterday. So we're gonna see how much they lay around in the snow. But yeah, it's a good day for it, and we've got some burgers to cook up at lunch because we've been on a 30-day cleanse challenge from Arbonne. Put the link to that in the description below. And we're going to celebrate that by having some good food all day. It's Super Bowl Sunday, so we started off with a good breakfast at the diner, have burgers over a campfire, and then football munchies all night. So we'll go work our tails off and get our calories burnt off and see how much work we can get done in the shelter today. Talk to you soon. Go.
Jaximus!
So weird.
Literally, I'm right here. You have all of this to do that. But right here is good.
You should wrestle with them. Sure is nice out, huh?
Sure is. Cheese and crackers, it's real nice.
Who's a good boy? Can you not pee on the fire back? Well, guys, to say that today has turned out to be stellar would be an understatement. For a February winter day, it must be over 32 degrees by now. It was 28 this morning when we got up. This is like almost no breeze. Sun's blazing now. I'm sure you saw from the footage coming in what a nice hike it was. We took our time and stuff. And now we're going to get to work, and I'm going to try to get as much of the roof done today as possible. Wifey's going to get a fire going and start cooking up lunch for our Sunday Super Bowl feast day. And yeah, we'll see how the day goes. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching again, guys. I appreciate it. And again, like and subscribe and share the videos if you feel like it. I'm sure somebody out there somewhere wants to live vicariously through me. Yeah, sure, you can talk now, hon. What do you need to say?
I just wanted to tell you how much I love you.
Well, see, those things have to come first, right? All right, so I'm going to start working and you're going to start the meal?
Yeah, where's the saw?
Literally right there.
That is not a saw, that is a hitting stick thing.
Really?
Wow, way to one up Jesus. He could turn water to wine, but you can turn a stick into a saw.
This is my daily life, guys. My daily life. Isn't she cute? Alright, we're gonna get to work. God! That is so hot. So it's been about a half an hour, and I'm trying to do two things. I'm trying to clean up the woods around me, make them less dangerous with falling trees and stuff. As you can tell, here in New England, we get a lot of ice storms and stuff, so there's a lot of dead trees, broken trees all over the place. Lots of hangers. See that horizontal one up over my shoulder there, about 50 feet away? That's horizontal. That means it broke off way up high enough so it was 25 feet up in the tree, you know? Anyway, I'm working on this knot of trees right there. Got the big pine, which I'm hoping to use for my back wall, and then all these others we'll probably start using for the roof. So I'm looking to do 3 to 4 inch trees for the roof. I know that's a lot of trees, but I got a lot of dead trees around here to use, so I'm gonna run with it. Still a gorgeous day. Dogs are happy. Wifey's happy.
I made sticks.
She made sticks. She's so happy. We'll eat soon. I'm sure there's gonna be smoke over there really soon. There really will be. Actually, she's really good at this stuff, so. All right. I forgot my tripod, so I got to hand film everything again today, so. Again, I'm just an amateur. But like and subscribe anyway. All right, check in a bit. I feel like Tom Hanks in Castaway when he's trying to start the fire. I have made fire!
I made fire.
Yeah, you did. Good job. Good boys. Did I ever tell you about this wicked sharp? My Rhode Island accent just came out. I wrote wicked sharp hatchet my wife bought me for anniversary. Sharp.
What you doing?
What you do is you shave off the ends of the side you're going to hammer so it doesn't splinter out and just become nothing. That way you're hitting the most solid part of the wood in the center and not the stuff that's really dying on the outside. I should have got my camp knife out at this point, but my natural habit is to grab my pocket knife, which is clearly needs to be sharpened. Maybe we'll have the kids sharpen my knife this week. That should do.
It's a nice piece of wood you have.
This is PG. So one thing I want to try to do in my videos is, and I notice this with a lot of the bushcraft guys that I watch, surprisingly, their lack of totem chip. In case some of you guys don't know what totem chip is, the fireback's on fire, by the way. Hey, in case you don't know what totem chip is, it's what you learn mainly I learned it in Boy Scouts, but I guess you can learn it anywhere, but it's how to use blades. And one of the things I noticed is how the guys carry the blades through the woods when they're in between use. When it comes to a hatchet or an axe, you're supposed to grab it like this so that as you're walking, the blade cannot touch you in any way, shape, or form, because your arm won't twist like that and cut you. And you obviously can't turn all the way that way. And if you trip in the woods and you fall, your natural reaction is to do this, and you're literally going to throw that axe or hatchet away from you with the blade facing in a different direction. So you're not apt to get cut. So one of those things you just want to know when you're walking through the woods, carry your blades safely, because it'll be the end of a bad day, or sorry, end of a good day, if all of a sudden you got to rush out and go get stitches. Oh, that was my finger. Alright, and I'll put another one there. Take a little bit of some paracord and just secure it by going underneath here, just a couple lashings through, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. And this ain't gonna go anywhere. It's coming along real good. I can talk real
Words
good.
are hard.
I talk good. Alright.
I know words, lots of words.
Bingo.
That was so hot.
Alright, I don't know, been at it like an hour, limbing up trees, cutting them to length, fitting them in there. Somebody is considering it home already. Of course, Jack's got his ass right in the way. Oh, I can't see ass, can I? Hi, Jax. Hi. Water. Oh. You guys smell that? Bacon. Cheeseburger's done right. Well, it's still partly sunny. Beautiful. As you can see, I got one layer on. And I'm opening up a nice view from camp. And putting everything to good use. So, it's a good day. Alright, gonna carry on. I'll show you progress as we make it. I'm looking at my wife's butt. Nice butt, wifey.
Been growing it for like almost 40 years now, thanks.
You're welcome. Doing a great job. Nailed it. She's a wonder in the garden too.
Magma. That is magma. That's not smart. That's...
It's maybe magma, but it's still magma bacon. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Best wife ever. Mmm. So good. Alright guys, we got progress. Say hi Laura. This is Laura everybody. We have more bacon cooking. And like I said, we've been on this cleanse for 30 days. It includes no alcohol. Hetty Topper. Best girl friend ever. I didn't want this to come out wrong. You know, to the public that doesn't know the story, right? Alright. Cheers.
Literally so weird.
Thank you, thank you.
Damn, it's like you know your way around the kitchen. Is it good, Laura?
I don't know yet. Find out.
Get it. Arr. Oh, the juices. The dog. Look at Coda. Right on Coda's head. Right on the dog's head.
I might need a little more though, Steph.
Yeah.
You might hold something.
See, now I've got room.
Ah.
That's for the dog charger in here. So we always do tea or the fire, and Eric's sister makes her own honey. And so we have a little bit of that.
Wing
so
Farm.
check out Wing Farms, and Eric
Hey!
will put a link to that on the video.
Out.
I've got that in my arms right now.
What's the matter? You're noodle armed?
Your noodle arms.
You're noodle armed. Alright guys, check it out. We're done. Went all the way across. Almost made it a perfect square, but it's a little off, but left room for building that sidewall over there. It's gonna be good. But it was a good day. It's cloudy now. Finishing off those beers. We had some tea. Thank you for your help, ladies. Appreciate it. Dogs. Coda. You didn't get introduced. Hi Coda. How are you? Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks. I love you guys.
How'd that work out? It's just...
Can you see it? Can you see it? Snowing. That's a good day. Alright, bye for reals everybody. Have a good weekend. Go Chiefs. Yep, I'm going with the AFC home team. But good for the 49ers if they win too, because they look pretty unstoppable. Alright, have a good day everybody.